Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert your Python script into executable files so that you can use that executable file and run them in any of the computer. For this one we'll be using a tool called PyInstaller, which is a very easy to use. As you can see here, I have a simple desktop application. This is a desktop application which I have created using tkinter. If I want to distribute it to others or run in any other system, we can make use of this exe file. So let's get started how we can achieve that one or create an executable file in our Python application. The first step for this one is to install PyInstaller. For that one, go to your terminal window. Here type pip install PyInstaller. Then press enter. It will install PyInstaller in your application. Now this is successfully installed in this application. Once this is installed, we can proceed to the next step. The next step is we need to navigate to the folder where our application or script is residing. Currently, as you can see here, I'm in the same path. So if you don't know how to, if you are in different path, you can make use of cd, then you can add the path where your script is residing. So by making use of this cd command, you can navigate to that particular folder. Once that is done, the final step which we need to do is convert the script into an executable file. For that one, we have a command to do so. For that one, type PyInstaller space hyphen hyphen one file. Then you need to add the main file or the script file name where all your coding is residing. As you can see here in this file by name simple tkinter.py, all the code is residing here. So I can mention that file name simple tkinter.py. That's it. Now press enter. Now you can see we got the message building exe got completed. In the command which we have written here hyphen hyphen one file, that will tell the py installer to bundle everything into a single file. Once this execution is completed, when we got this message, now you can see there is a folder created by name distribution in our application. So let's open that one. If you go inside that folder, you can see now we got one exe file here. Now you can make use of this .exe and paste it in any other folder. And now if you run this one by double clicking on that one, you can observe we got console window, then our application got opened here. Here we have a simple interaction of button. When I click on that button, you can see the message is getting changed, which means this application working fine with this exe executable. So now we got our first executable file using this PyInstaller. If you want to customize your executable, PyInstaller gives you some useful options. For example, you can see this is a desktop application or UI based application, and we don't need this console window when user double clicks on this one. So we can customize this PyInstaller executable with some of the additional command. So to hide this one, let me close this first and go back to a folder. Here we have the executable file which got created. So let me delete this one and go back to my script. In this terminal window, this is the command which we have used to create an executable file. One additional thing what you need to do here is after this hyphen hyphen one file, add another property double hyphen no console. This piece of code will tell the PyInstaller that no console window should be added in the final executable file. So let me press enter now. Now you can see PyInstaller rebundle the application. Now again go back to distribution folder. Now you can see we got two files. So let me copy this second file. This is the file which we got without this console window. So let me go to the desktop again and paste this one. Now let me open this application by double clicking on that one. Now you can observe we didn't get any console window. We got our application without that one. So that's what we were expecting. So that's it. In just a few simple steps, we turned a Python script into an executable application. Now you can share your program with anyone by using that executable file or application that will run successfully in their systems. Thanks guys for watching this. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials like this.